These RVs have been very popular these days, and we get a lot of them over at the shop here at Weldtec Designs. But look how clean it is. It's a 2026, 2025 Ford chassis with a 7.3 motor. What more could you ask for? You get all the features of a larger Class C, like the large cab over bunk, a beautiful booth style dinette in the back that also converts into a bed, and then we have a Weldtec Designs 4-inch adventure kit on this. Look how clean this is, guys. Look how beautiful this is. And this is just to show that you don't have to go so crazy, right? Save your money and spend it where you want it to. This person opted for the 4-inch adventure kit and tires. No wheels, no blackout headlights, no blackout grille, no front bumper, none of the flips and tricks that we normally do. We do have the upgraded grille for the 2026, 2025 RV models. Really looking nice and clean. And most of these smaller ones that we've gotten in these days, they're gonna be a Thor Chateau 19Z. That's probably the most popular model that we see. This one is not a Thor Chateau 19Z. This is a Forest River. One of the main differences exterior wise is that we have black trim around all of the different windows and things of that nature. Now, we're not doing a review on this on Big J's RV reviews, but if you are interested in finding out what's a great RV for you, Big J's RV reviews, where Jeremy and I make videos reviewing RVs, is going to be a great resource for you. This thing would get a great window score because it has windows that open completely, allowing ventilation and airflow to go through. In addition, one of the things that I really like about this model is that we have a pass-through storage that's accessible from 3 sides. That is a really great and really unique feature. Look at that, guys. 3 sides access to your giant pass-through storage. So if you did want to opt for something like a Weldtec Designs backpack or a dual swing bumper on the rear here, you wouldn't be too worried about blocking that because you have access from the sides. And I mean, you could fit surfboards here, you could fit skis here, you could even fold up some bikes, scooters, whatever, and fit it there. That is a decent amount of storage for a tiny RV. Really like what this thing looks like, guys. Came out really, really clean. Now here's a brief overview of what we did for the suspension. First of all, you're gonna notice we got the BF Goodrich KO3 tires. These are 235 85/16 tires. And then in the wheel well, you'll see that we have our larger coil spring, the 186 Skyjacker spring, our beautiful Fox shock, tuned exactly for these motorhomes, as well as our extended radius arm down here, sway bar drop brackets, and a Fox steering stabilizer. To correct the camber, we modify the I-beams, and that gives you a beautiful front end with a good amount of caster that's going to allow your RV to track straight down the highway. In the rear of this RV, Fox shock, and we do not run blocks in our RVs. We run a full progressive leaf spring pack, which gives you a little more load carrying capacity, as well as levels out your RV. The lift is built into the arch of the spring, and you get a very nice ride quality because of the progressive nature of the spring. This is a very decent RV at a very minimal cost to get this thing built up like this. If you wanted to do something like this where you didn't go for wheels and tires, swing out bumpers, blackout grille, all that kind of stuff, here's 2 upgrades that I would highly recommend. Number 1, with this style step, we do offer very nice WTD cab steps. However, you don't have to opt to do that whole entire situation. You can spend about half as much money and we'd make a drop bracket step that will take your stock step just like this and drop it down. That would be a very nice upgrade, because even though this is only a 4-inch kit and this is a smaller RV, with the tires, you know, that step is going to be quite a big step. And maybe the first couple times you're okay with it, but after many times of doing that, hundreds of times, you'll get tired of it no matter how young you are. Number 2, we offer now an amazing winch plate that goes right into your stock bumper setup. So you're not replacing your bumper here. You keep your stock bumper and you can put a winch plate, and you can also run a front receiver hitch mount. That is pretty cool. You don't even have to spend the extra money to get it powder coated. And you have winch capability as well as a front hitch capability with your stock bumper setup. That is a nice upgrade right there. This is our very beautiful Forest River 195 OLE. This is MB from Weldtec Designs, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.